Hi, and welcome to 22Academy. My name is Sebastian, and in this video I will show you how to pass your CIBPE exam on the first attempt. If you don't know where and how to start studying, make sure you stay with us, because at the end of this video I will tell you how to determine what your level is and create a personal study plan, completely free. At 22Academy, we believe that studying should be effective, affordable, and personal. First of all, to make the most of your study, it is important to not just be able to go through your materials quickly, but also that you retain the information. To remember everything you learn, we use many real-life examples, because if you can relate a theory to real events, it's much easier to remember. We use many images and videos, because if you can visualize a problem or associate a topic with an image, you're more likely to be able to reproduce the information when you need it. Our courses contain many modules that repeat previously learned materials, which will help your brain to retain the information for more than twice as long. And, of course, we regularly test your knowledge with quizzes in the courses and with challenging trial exams. Now, secondly, we think that preparing for a certification exam should be affordable. The exam itself is already expensive, and you will have the additional costs for membership or a maintenance fee. Our courses are not only most effective, but often even cheaper than a retake of the exam. We make sure to include all information, free resources and practical tools, so you don't need to buy additional books or mock exams, not even the official textbook. Another few advantages of your online courses is that you always have the access to the latest information, and you can use the courses for the entire duration of your study. Now finally, we make your experience personal and tailored to your situation. In each training course you can set your exam date, and the system will calculate the best study schedule for you. If you are much quicker or slower than you initially thought, you can always change this date and the system will recalculate. Of course, not everyone has the same level to begin with. You could be completely new to the privacy landscape, or a seasoned professional, or maybe you just took another training course. For this reason, we didn't just create a beginner's, an intermediate and an advanced course, but also 9 focus courses that emphasize on a specific subject, so you can skip the things you already know. Now, how do you know what your level is? For that reason, we created the CIBPE assessment. In just half an hour, you'll know exactly what your level is, which topics require your extra attention, and which training course will suit your needs. And the best thing is, it's completely free for everyone. And you are under no obligation to make any other purchases. So, to answer the most asked question of where do I start, it's with the 22Academy assessment. Just click on the link in the comments to start your free test. Good luck with your study.